If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Daisy and I hope you guys enjoy this look that I made for you guys. And if you guys want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. Start with the LA Pro Concealer and Light Ivory.
You recording?
No shit, Sherlock. And we're gonna apply that to our eyelid. I'll be getting the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and Light Ivory. Real Techniques sponge, and then we're gonna blend it. Using the second edition 120 color eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna be using this color. This color is, we're gonna use a Wet n Wild Wet n Wild crease brush, and we're gonna put that in the crease. Getting the lower eyeshadow one, this one, we're gonna apply that to the crease using another Wet n Wild crease brush. And then using a 6 Plus, we're gonna blend it with the Ayla Colors blending brush. Oh my god. Can you stop?
Girl, what am I doing anything? Check your booty.
You may turn the camera around you?
Dare you.
No. I'm not even recording.
Yes, you are.
Okay, once it's all blended,
Exactly.
you're going in the Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette using another Wet n Wild brush, and we're gonna use Rear Gear, which is this orangey reddish color to be this one. We're gonna apply that to the outer crease. Going into Love Letter, apply that to the outer B. Okay, so we're gonna cut the crease, and what I'm gonna be using is the NYX eyeshadow base and ESB01. And then using a Eco Tools flat eyeliner brush. We're gonna add this white one. We're gonna use the white one, and we're gonna put it onto the right here, onto the eyelid. And then we're gonna be using the Maybelline New York Master Precise Ink and Metallic Liquid Eyeliner. And this one is the Solar Gold. Okay, so everything, when you blend everything, just blend it a little more right here, so you don't have any creases or any smudge, anything, before you put the translucent powder. The Airspun translucent extra coverage and 07041, the translucent one, and we're gonna apply that all over. A Flower F03 brush. I'm gonna take that off. Then after that, you're gonna contour your face, and we're gonna be using the Too Faced Chocolate Contour Palette. And we're gonna be using this one right here, which is medium cocoa, and we're gonna contour your cheeks. And then you're gonna use dark cocoa to bronze up the face. For the blush, we're gonna use the
Party blush,
which is this one, and using a Wet n Wild angle brush, and I'm gonna put this blush on. And then using the Real Techniques brush, we're gonna carve our cheeks using the same translucent powder. I'm gonna carve cheeks. Using the Anastasia Glow Kit palette, going in with white sand, going in with this one right here, using a e.l.f. highlighting brush, and I'm going to highlight our cheeks. And you could add the MAC Fix Plus to it to make it a little brighter. And then for the lips, we're going to be using the Von D color and Lonita. I don't set everything. We're using the Urban Decay All Liner Makeup Setting Spray. This one, we're going to set everything.